Hello everyone, and welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube, where we talk about all things luxury. My last video was my New York City vlog from way back in January. It took me a while to get that one edited together, and so because I finally released that video, I can now finally film and release my what I got from New York unboxings. You can hear my latest unboxing probably in the background barking, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already done so. But with that, let's get into it. So I will start with what is in this bag. This was sort of the main thing that we got. I had not planned to get this because it was expensive and it was after Christmas, like less than a month after Christmas, but I really love this piece and my husband really loved it as well, and so we decided, you know what, we're in New York, we're here at the flagship, let's go ahead and get this as my piece of David Yurman from the flagship. And of course it comes in the very nice new packaging that they have recently redone. And I do really love the new boxes that they have done. They're very pretty and they're very nice feeling. And I got this Renaissance diamond pave ring in gold. This is part of sort of the high jewelry line since it's gold with pave diamonds, and it goes so well with my smaller ring. In fact, I normally switch these when I wear them. I have been wearing all of these things because it's been a while since I got them. But this is how I typically wear it, but I can also just wear it by itself, which I do as well. Particularly a lot of times I'm not really going to wear my wedding band because I'm going to be just like running out really quick. I'll throw this on my other hand and just wear this. And you probably actually spotted me wearing that one in the vlog when I was in APM Monaco trying on the rings. This was the ring stack that I was actually wearing that day. Now next, so we went to a lot of bookstores. I think we went in 4 or 5 bookstores. I think it may have actually been 5 bookstores. And so we went into a lot of bookstores. I only showed a couple in the vlog just because of how the footage turned out, but we got a lot of books. I'm only going to show you guys a couple of the books, but we got like this amazing hardback set of books on the reign of Queen Elizabeth. It's like a 4-part book series on her reign in hardback, which I was really thrilled to get at amazing prices from Strand. Strand had amazing prices. We literally brought back a checked bag, not full of stuff that we bought like shopping wise, but full of books. And then we had to, at the airport, redistribute some of the books because we had too much weight in the suitcase. One of the books that my husband picked out was this. It is the Atlas Obscura. It's apparently some type of adventure wonderment around the world book. He saw it, really liked it. We picked this up. I am a big fan of The Mummy, and I saw the Egyptian Book of the Dead and decided to pick it up just because I am a fan of The Mummy and this book is in there. But I thought that this was a really cool version of it with the silk black and the gold, and so I decided to get this to add to our library. My husband picked up several just casual reading books for himself. I also picked up the Alan Rickman memoirs. I'd had that on like my Christmas list on Amazon for a long time. Turns out I thought people knew that list existed and they didn't. So that's why I hadn't gotten that for the past couple of years, even though I'd had it on my list, and so I went ahead and I bought it when we were in New York. I've been to New York. My husband is not like a big like place where you go souvenir type person, so we didn't get any like souvenir type things, but we did purchase a couple of other items, and the first one I'm going to do in this box from Saks. It is Christian Louboutin. This was actually a pair of shoes. Obviously it's from Christian Louboutin that was on sale. So got these like 60% off maybe. I mean, like great, fantastic deal on these. I was absolutely stoked. But they are the Desert pump in 100 millimeters. So these are in red silk. They have this beautiful tie that goes around the ankle. I have a pair of wedges with the same type of tie. I will say the wedges are more comfortable even though they're higher, but these are really, really beautiful. They of course have the red bottomed soles, and I actually wore these out on Valentine's Day. I've worn them a couple of other times as well, just because they are so pretty, and the red is just such a gorgeous, vibrant, fiery red that I really enjoy pairing it with my really neutral things because it brings in this massive pop of color, but on my feet. So I absolutely love these, and I'm so glad that I was able to get them on sale for $300, I think is what I got these for. So I was super thrilled at that price. Now, the other purchase that I had made, intending it to be for our trip to New York, it didn't get here in time. It was delayed due to the same weather that delayed us even being able to leave. And so they come in this box from Penelope Chilvers. And I have them out of the box because, like I said, I've been wearing them. Even though we're now getting into spring, I probably won't get cold enough for me to wear them again, but I have loved wearing these winter. And they are the long tassel boot. So these are knee-high dark brown leather boots, and they are so comfortable. Like, I could easily actually ride in these boots. The sole on them is fantastic. They are a full leather boot, which means that they need to be broken in, but they are breaking in the more that I wear them, so they've got a little bit of give to the ankle now, which is just what happens with regular riding boots. I absolutely love these. I think that these are definitely going to be a top purchase for 2024 for me. They are definitely my most worn shoes. I think I wore these pretty much every time that I went out in tax season, and if I wasn't in these, I was in my black Chloe boots that I got last year. But I love these. I highly recommend these if you are looking for a knee-high leather boot for next year. They do not go on sale. They do not have coupons, so you will be paying full price for these. Then one of the purchases that I won't be showing on here because it's kind of personal is that we went to Bravissimo in Soho, and I got fitted for bras, and so I was able to bring several bras back for me. I have trouble finding ones in my size, and Bravissimo is really, really good for larger cupped people. They have a huge range of bands, and they have a huge range of cups, and they have it in a huge range of styles. Basically, all of their brands and all of their styles that they sell go up into extended cup and band sizes. They also go down in band size. So for me, as someone who is a 30H, it is extremely difficult to find bras to fit. So to be able to go somewhere and to try on things in my size was just absolutely amazing, because nowhere in Nashville sells my size. So that was 100% made the trip worth it, just to get bras that actually fit. The final purchase that we made was one that I was definitely not intending to make, because we had already purchased the ring, and at least I think we don't, had we? Maybe we hadn't purchased the ring yet. Either way, I had not been intending to make this purchase, and this purchase caught me very much by surprise, but my husband really loved it. I really liked it, and he said, we're here, let's just go ahead and get it because you'll have it for the rest of your life. And it is from Schott. I got the Rough Out Suede jacket. I got the Rough Out Suede jacket, and I love this jacket. It is so beautiful. It is so cool. It's very warm. Like, had it not been below freezing, I definitely would have worn this while we were in New York. But the highest I got was like 30, and that was on the last day. So I didn't wear this in New York, but I have worn it, and I love this jacket. It is so beautiful. And because of the nature of a Rough Out Suede, as it gets beat up, it'll actually just get worn in and look even better over time. So this is a piece that I will truly have for the rest of my life, and I am really, really glad to have it. I absolutely love it, and definitely would recommend looking at this jacket if you are a female. And because I got this jacket, I did not end up getting the Alexander McQueen power suit that I was in. I did really love that suit, and I really thought about going back to get it. And if I were to get it, I would get it in person so that I could have it tailored, because I was between pant sizes, and so I would need to get the larger pair and then have them taken in to fit me correctly. I think that because I was in between 2 sizes and I would have to alter 1 size down, that just made me very nervous. And once I saw this and I got this, the McQueen suit, I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna wait on that one. Plus, while I do wear a lot of sort of business casual clothes, I don't have a ton of reason to wear business professional to wear suits. And I do have my YSL suit, although that is much more of a fall winter suit because of the wool material. I could definitely wear that if I needed to, but I don't do anything in the spring and the summer really that would require me to wear a suit right now. As I advance in my career, that will probably change. So that McQueen suit is something that I think will be added later on at a later date, when I am in need of having a summer suit. But until then, I'll be enjoying this. So let me know what you guys think of the purchases. Also, let me know if you would like me to do a luxury shoe collection video. I have a couple of collaborations coming up, one with Living Lux with Meredith and another with Lisa from Luxury in Life in the Middle. And so make sure to be subscribed for that. Like I said, I hope you guys have enjoyed these unboxings, and then you have a great rest of your day. Bye!